I'm super happy because sumali lang ako sa Miss Universe Philippines, winner na ako. And who would have thought now, mother first runner-up sa Miss Universe Philippines. That's a good feat already. And you know, my family was watching. My daughter is here, still awake. So I'm just super happy na na-meet ko lahat ng girls. Kasi tawag nila sa akin ate, lahat. Nagkaroon ako ng relationship with. So, winner na talaga ako. I'm so happy for Atisa. Deserving. Very, very deserving.
Will Mother's Day have a different meaning for you now?
Actually, it's my birthday on the 4th.
Happy birthday!
So, siguro lang, wala namang different meaning because, I mean, di ba? Siguro ang mangyayari is talagang quality time with my family first. I spent so much time here. I sacrificed my time with my family. And I think this time, kailangan ko mag-give back sa kanila. I've done my job. I lived the dream already. And sana na-inspire ko yung maraming tao na gawin nila yung gusto nilang gawin without any regrets.
What about the people who say that Mother should no longer join Miss Universe Philippines? What do you want to tell them?
Well, I'm first runner-up. So, malay natin. Baka yung next na sumali maging Miss Universe Philippines. We saw kung paano, I'm a mom. We are 4 moms. Sobrang nag-give sila ng best nila. They sacrificed their time to do this and I think we should respect. And kung may sasali na talagang magaling at pwede maging Miss Universe Philippines, why not?
Congratulations to you.
Thank you.
Advance happy birthday and advance
Thank you,
happy Mother's Day.
I love you guys!
Happy birthday!